Hi guys! Today we fix the issue of not receiving a verification code on a iMessage. First, unlock your iPhone and go to your home screen. From there, look for the Settings app, which is where all the important system controls are located. Once you find the Settings icon, simply tap on it to open it. This is where we'll adjust a few things to make sure your phone can properly receive verification codes through iMessage. After opening Settings, start scrolling down slowly through the list of options. Keep scrolling until you reach the very bottom area where you'll see the Apps option. This section shows all the apps installed on your iPhone and allows you to manage their settings. Go ahead and tap on Apps so we can locate the Messages settings from there. Now that the Apps section is open, look at the top of the screen and you'll see a search bar. This feature makes it easier to quickly find a specific app without scrolling through the entire list. Tap on the search bar and type Messages or iMessage. As soon as you type it, the Messages app will appear in the results below. Once you see Messages appear in the search results, simply tap on it. This will open the Messages settings page, where we can control the iMessage feature. This step is important because iMessage must be enabled for your phone to properly receive certain verification codes and messages from services that rely on Apple's messaging system. Now scroll slightly until you find the iMessage option. Here you'll see a toggle switch that turns the feature on or off. Make sure this iMessage toggle is turned on. If it's off, your phone might not receive verification codes properly. Once you turn it on, your device should start receiving codes normally. If you already have iMessage turned on but the problem is still happening, the next thing you should check is whether your iPhone software is up to date. Updating your device can fix bugs and communication issues that sometimes prevent messages from arriving. After updating your iPhone, try receiving the verification code again and the issue should be resolved. And that's how you can fix the iMessage verification code not received problem using a few simple checks on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help with another issue.